First, cover the loading station with the 4 lids on your right side. Now let us start cooling down the Autogrid loading station. Pick up and uncap the door. Pour the liquid nitrogen from the capsule-shaped entrance on the back of the station. And wait until the nitrogen vapor is clean. Then, please cap the door and put it back. After cooling down the loading station, remove the 4 lids. Now remove the plug of the loading station, on its lower left. Please remove the cover of the capsule. Then mount the capsule into the loading station. Now, pick up the handle on the right side of the loading station. Use it to take out the cassette from the capsule. And place the cassette in the loading station. Remember to put the handle back into place. Then we can take the sample out. First, please pick up the clipping tool in the freeze door. Place the storage box on the tool into one of the slots in the loading station. Slots closest to the cassettes are recommended. Then you can put down the clipping tool. Now please put the autoload tweezers into the loading station, and wait for a moment, to cool them down before picking up the grids. Now we are ready to load the grid into the cassette. Pick up the grid in the storage box with the autoload tweezers. And place the grid into the cassette. After placing all the grids, pick up and uncap the door. Refill some liquid nitrogen in the loading station. And also refill the capsule a little bit. Now, pick up the handle on the right side of the loading station again. Use it to grab the cassette in the loading station. And then go into the capsule to transfer the cassette. Please put the handle back. You can now release the capsule. And put the storage lid on it. You have finished all the procedures in the Autogrid loading. Now you can turn around. Let us learn how to dock and undock the cassette. First, please open the door of the Titan Krios. Remove the cover of the capsule. And place the capsule in the autoloader in Titan Krios. After placing the capsule, you can find the Dock button on the electronic screen turns green. Press the button to start the procedure of docking the cassette. Wait for about 50 seconds for the whole procedure. You can hear the cassette grip coming down and going back up, also closing the valve in this procedure. Now you can find the screen shows that the cassette is in Docker, which means we have a successful load. And if you want to undock the cassette, press the Undock button on the screen. Again, we need to wait for about 50 seconds. Now, you can release the capsule. And do not forget to close the door of the Titan Krios. And then put the storage lid on the capsule. Congratulations! You have finished all the steps in the tutorial mode.